Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. I'll keep this quick and straight to the point. Recently, Grok AI made an unexpected change. Some users who were on the free plan have now been restricted and are required to make a payment. Personally, I don't think the fee itself is a big issue, but the problem is that many people were caught off guard. Before now, you could access the platform freely, but currently, when you try to create a video, you're blocked and shown a message saying you can't proceed. So I'm going to show you two ways to fix this. First option, once you are on the desktop version though, it's the same interface with the mobile app. Click on the upgrade button and you can see that it prompts you to try the free trial. Click on Start 3-day trial and do the needful by entering your card details. Now the good thing is you won't be charged if you cancel on time. After entering your payment details, you can go ahead and cancel the subscription either from the platform itself or directly from your card settings. Some banks or cards allow you to manage and cancel subscriptions easily. And if you're unable to cancel directly from your bank app or whichever platform you used for the payment, you can do it from Grok itself. To go over to the settings, click on this icon, then click on settings and you'll be taken to the settings interface. From there, click on manage. And right below, you'll see an option that says Manage your Grok subscription. Click on that and you can cancel your subscription right there. So you don't need to stress or go back and forth. Everything can be handled easily from inside the platform. However, this method has a downside. It usually works only once per email address. So unless you have multiple emails to rotate, it's not a long-term solution. Now here is the second option, the more practical one. If you're already earning from your content or you can afford a small payment, this is the better route. Now go over to Twitter, now X, and open your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create one, okay? Since I already have an account, I won't walk through the sign-up process. It's pretty straightforward, just like creating an account on any other platform. I will just sign in and you should be brought up to this interface too. Now click on Premium. Alright, so once you get to this interface, here's what you'll see. The basic plan is priced at about 3.5 euros per month, which is quite reasonable, and it gives you access to all the essential features. Then you have the premium plan, which is around 4.7 euros per month, basically about 5 euros. With this, you get enhanced access, including full Grok features. You'll notice it mentions enhanced Grok access, which means you're getting everything you need without limitations. Now there's also a 50% discount for the next 2 months, which is a really good deal. So instead of paying the regular price, around 9 to 10 euros, you'll only be paying about 4 euros for those first 2 months. One important thing to note is that pricing may vary depending on your location. For example, users in the US might see something closer to $3, while in Nigeria, it could be around 3,000 naira. So if your price looks different from mine, that's completely normal. The key thing is, just go with the price displayed on your screen. It doesn't have to match mine exactly. Once you're ready, simply click on subscribe, proceed with the payment, and that's it. You'll get full access right away. Alright, so here's something interesting. I actually have a feeling this feature might become free again. The reason I say that is if you click on make video right now, you'll notice it still tries to generate something. Normally, if it were completely locked behind a paywall, it wouldn't even attempt that. So my guess is because of the backlash and everything that's been happening, they might still be allowing access, but with a catch. It seems like the generation time is now much longer, which can be frustrating. And honestly, that might be intentional to push people toward upgrading for a smoother, faster experience. That said, if you can afford it, I still think the paid version is worth it. If you're getting consistent access and fewer limitations for around $4 a month, that's actually a pretty good deal. Now, I'm not going to wait around for this to finish generating. It could take a really long time, maybe even hours, and I'm just not that patient. But I'll definitely keep you updated in the community post if it eventually goes through. For now, I think this might just be a strategy to make it seem like it's still available for free, but the real question is, do you want to wait that long? Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. My name is Christy and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.